up, you guys? It is me, Tanishia, and I am back with another video. Hey, girl. Hey. So I know y'all be loving the energy, but mama is tired, okay? Mama is tired. So we about to get into this video so mama can go to bed. Because I'm tired, girl. I'm tired. But if it seems like my energy is a little off, nothing is wrong. I'm just sleepy. But anywho, let's see if this girl can wake me up. All right, so this is our 180 Density Bouncy Curls Glueless 5x5 Closure Pre-Cut Lace. This is a layered curly wig with a breathable cap. This is a 20-inch wig. And we about to get to work. So getting straight to it, this is what she looks like when she comes out of the box. All these beautiful, nice, little bouncy curls. She already comes parted, so you don't got to do it. The part is on the left, not the right. But because this is a 5x5 closure, you can change the side that your part goes on. Now, you will have to recurl it once you do that, but you can definitely change the side that your part goes on. When we are talking about a breathable cap, we are talking about this right here. Just in case, my girls, you got an itchy head, stick a comb in there. You can scratch. Your hair can breathe, because in the fall, we protect our hair. I do anyway. But in the fall, we protect our hair. For the girls who go for the protective styles during the fall and you still want to wear your wigs, your hair can breathe through the wigs because of these great breathable hose in this breathable cap. This wig does come with 3 combs that are not removable, but they are very, very small, so they don't hurt your head too much. It gives you that extra security so that your wig is not slipping and sliding everywhere you turn when you move around. So that is a plus. You also have these adjustable straps right here at the bottom of your wig where you can just hook them to adjust to the size of your head. And you have an adjustable band that will be in your box or in your wig. So make sure you check your wig in your box to make sure you have this. And if you do not, contact customer service. Do not come on my post fussing that you did not get your stuff. Contact customer service. But this is what the adjustable band looks like. It may look like this. It may just be solid black, but you will get an adjustable band, supposed to, in your box with your wig. Now, this wig is also pre-cut. This wig is HD laced so that the lace is very, very thin. And one thing that I do like about this wig is that it is very, very dark. I like a dark wig. I like the natural black, but the darker the wig for me, the better it brings out everything. I think it brings out everything. A lot of people don't like darker wigs because they say it make them look older, but I like a good dark wig. This is what the lace is looking like. When we say pre-cut, you get this right here. This is the pre-cut lace. If it is not already pre-cut, which it should be because it's in the title, if it is not already pre-cut and you get the option to get it pre-cut, it's just $5. So you just pay $5. They cut it for you. You don't have to worry about it. But I'm pretty sure that the wig already comes cut. The lace is HD. So when you put it to your skin, it should go away just like this. If you are a darker skin tone, it's still HD. You may have to put a little bit of a lace tint, or you may have to use contour. Okay? Putting this wig on is just easy as 1, 2, 3. Just like this. Make sure your band is correct in your wig so that when you put it on, you can adjust it properly to the tightness that you like, that you would like to feel secure in. Make sure your bands are not falling out of your wig. Flip your combs down because we don't need any combs poking out to make our wig look Humpty Dumpty. Slide that wig back just like that, to where you like it on your head. If you want it up a little bit more, if you want it back a little bit more, but don't slide it too far back or too far forward, because you don't want your wig to look like a wig. But this, oh, this is what you get when you put it on. And look at it straight out of the box. Child, the lace just keep getting better and better and better, I tell ya. Now, I will say, when it comes to this wig, even though it is pre-plucked, it can be plucked a little bit more in the closure area, but it still looks realistic. So a win is a win. If you don't know how to pluck, you don't have to. If you do know how to pluck, you can pluck a little bit more. I do think this is cute and all, but I wouldn't be me if I didn't play with the girl a little bit, you know, do my own little touches. Because again, this is me letting the wig wear me. This is not me wearing my wig. This is not my style. I mean, it is a little bit, but I think I want a bigger look. So what I'm going to do is go through and pull the curls out with my fingers to see what look I will get. Hopefully I don't mess up nothing too bad. Pray for me. So far it looks cute. And I will say, when you do this, you will get a little bit of shedding. But if you are scared to do this part of this, just leave it alone. Wear it how it looks straight out of the box. That is fine. Yeah, that's fine, because this part right here can get a little tedious. I really and truly, I kind of want to wet it, but I don't know how that would go with this hair. I don't know if it would curl back or if it will just go flat. But we might test it out in this video and see. Because I got to give y'all all the details, right? Got to give y'all the good, the bad, and the what you can and can't do with it, just so you know. But yeah, combing all those curls out, because I really don't know too many people that are going to wear it straight out the box like that. Some of you will, and it'll be really, 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 really pretty. If you feel as though that's what you want to do, go ahead and do it. But me, no, that's not for me. So this is how she is looking when she is combed out, which is a really pretty. Get into this. Yeah, I like this. They might get me because I probably should have took some pictures of it when it was like with all the curls. But even though I'm combing these out, we still got curls. So that is a plus. I'm just gonna go through and comb through this entire thing just to see what look we get, and then I'll be back and show y'all what we got. Oh, he's gonna get us in trouble. But this is what she is giving, all combed out. Baby, this is better than the little promotion video picture that they be putting on a little. Look at this. This looks natural. This looks realistic. That is what I'm looking for when I get a wig. Realism. Baby, this looks like somebody put some flexi rods in some hair and took that out and just, ooh, girl. Will I be wetting this? No, because I like the way she looked, just like this. Full. They said this is 180 density. If this is 180, baby, I hate to see what a higher density looks like. Oh, But in all seriousness, I really hate the fact that I'm about to go to bed and this wig looks this good. I really hate. I have to find somewhere to go in this wig right here. I have to. It's only right. This wig is, I like this wig. Oh my goodness. I really like this look. Now, if you are a girly who does not like big hair, or you have a little head and you're scared, you can leave it the original way, or you cannot comb out all of the curls. I combed out all of the curls just to see what the volume was giving, and it's still bouncy. Like, even after combing it out. So, for all my girls who like big hair, this is for you. A lot of hair, this is for you. This is for us, the girls that like all that hair. All that hair. This right here, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I like this. I am in awe. For real, for real. I really like this. If you like this, please go straight to that comment section. Click on that pinned link. Use my coupon code. Or go to the description box. Click the link. Use the code. Get the wig. 100% human hair. Y'all see it. I see it. We see it. Look at this. Baby. I ain't got nothing else to say. I ain't doing nothing else in this video. I am not saying anything else in this video. I'm finna cut this off. This wig looks phenomenal. I was not expecting this when I pulled this wig out of the box. Not gonna lie to y'all. Y'all know I keep it 100%. I did not expect this wig to look this good. I did not expect that at all. And I still haven't even combed all of the curls out. And it's like this. This is beautiful. Use a wide tooth comb. Don't use a brush. Don't use nothing else. Find a wide tooth comb just like this, or a bigger one, and comb the curls out. And from the lace to the color to the curl to the volume, everything is perfect. Everything is perfect in this wig. I give this wig a 10 out of 10. Hands down. 10 out of 10. I ain't got nothing else to say. I'm ending this video right here on a good note. So if you like this wig, make sure, again, go to my comment section, go to my description box, click on that link, use my coupon code Tanishia, because that will give you a lot of money off. It saves you more money than the website. Use the code because the code helps me help you. And yes, I do get a commission off the code, but that's okay. You're saving a coin. That's all that matters. And you're going to look good when you get your wig. All right. I love you guys. Bye.